All right, so now we're diving into AI message creation within Clay itself. So a quick rule of thumb, and if you've seen Eric Noslovsky's videos, you'll see he mentions this a lot. But when you are generating messages with AI, typically it is really better to stick to using AI to generate a specific sentence or hook or merge field as opposed to an entire email. When you're trying to generate an entire email, there's just going to be so much variation and so many more places where it could go wrong. Whereas if you are creating an outbound email, there's probably just like one sentence really you're trying to personalize or create a custom message for. So if you stick to that one sentence, that one hook, you'll see the results are actually going to turn out a lot better and be much more consistent with what you're trying to output. So with all that being said, in this first example, what I've done is I have looked for current jobs the companies are hiring for. Very simple integration. All I've done is I've put in the domain, and you'll see it spits out the different jobs as well as a description of the different jobs. Then what I've done is I've just created a converse with ChatGPT. So go into rich data, AI and GPT, converse with ChatGPT. I've created an integration column for that. And it's pretty simple. So what I essentially want to do is reach out to these people. And I want to say, hey, I saw you are currently hiring for X job. It seems like the reason you're hiring for this person is to do X, Y, and Z, right? I think I have a tool that can potentially do what they're doing, or potentially help you find someone that can do just that. So I have two messages. The first message is context for the role the AI is playing. I've simply said you are an assistant helping me write emails to people. You reference job descriptions and then summarize the key needs for the hire. And then in the second message, as the user, I'm simply saying, using the input, summarize the key needs for the new hire, and then complete the sentence. It looks like you're hiring someone who can ... Keep the output to under 8 words. Here is the input. And all I've done is I've mapped the description from these jobs right here. So you'll see when you open up one of the jobs, there's a description. I've given it this entire chunk of text to analyze, and the results look pretty solid. So first one, they're hiring for, let's see what the job title is, corporate counsel. It looks like you're hiring someone who can manage compliance, due diligence, and legal matters. Awesome. Second one, they are hiring for a product engineer. It looks like you're hiring for someone who can shape WeFunder, contribute to product conversations, and provide technical expertise. Great. Third one, job title is engineering. Pretty vague. And it looks like you're hiring for someone who can work on conversation intelligence, full stack engineering, and mentor junior engineers. So really awesome. From these giant descriptions, it really has done a great job of pulling out just those key insights. And again, we are not trying to write an entire email. We might just name this hiring merge field. And once we connect to our email sequencer or CRM, we can just map that specific merge field, and then that will be included in the emails.